Welcome back to another edifying tutorial on how you can start dropship, how you can start e-commerce yourself. And get to meet me. My name is Samuel Joshua, and of course this is the voice of 𝐲𝐤 𝐓𝐵 Logistics Limited. So if this is your first time of joining our community, what you want to do is to smash that subscription, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video, and also turn on the notification bell, so whenever we post another helpful content like this, YouTube will be able to notify you that we've already posted a video like this. That having been said, in my previous tutorial we have looked at how you can sign up an account with Pandabuy, how you can source for an item, how you can also change your language from English to different language, how you can change your currency as well if you are doing dropship or if you are using it for personal item. And we've already talked about what dropship does. They are just like middlemans. Okay, so in today's tutorial now we are looking at how you can add your warehouse address, how you can also set up your payment method. That's what we are going to be looking at today. So I've recorded videos regarding e-commerce. Just check under the description button of this tutorial. You can look out for different Chinese shopping apps like Taobao, Pinduoduo, 1688, Tidal Fish, and a lot of them that you can start sourcing and making money from. So what you want to do is just you can pause this video and go and watch it. Okay, so let's quickly look at how you can add your local shipping address. One thing about Pandabuy is the fact that they can help you do what? They can help you ship directly to your country. That's the most beautiful part of it. Okay, they are just like a middleman. They help you buy, they help you receive item from your local Chinese supplier and then send it directly to you. If you see here, they said global shipping. You can freely choose item in your warehouse and submit them into one parcel, ship it to your home by choosing a reliable logistic provider provided by Pandabuy. Okay, so it's very simple. They can deliver it to your country's seaport. They can deliver it to any shipping company address. They can also deliver it to your doorstep directly. So how do you add it? It's very simple. Now this is a mobile version of this tutorial. If you want the desktop version, I'm also going to be leaving it under the description button of this tutorial so you can see the wider version of it. Okay, so now how do you add the address? Just come to the upper right hand side of the screen where we'll have this profile here, something like this, where I'm presently circling. You tap on it. Once you tap on it, this option will pops up. So under it we have user center, order, warehouse, parcel, wallet, and logout. So we are looking at user center, which is the first option. So you tap on it. After you tap on it, it's going to take you here. This is your profile, right? This is your balance. You can top up, you can also withdraw. Another video is going to be coming up on how you can top up and how you can fund your Pandabuy wallet. Okay, so that's not where we are going. So we have under it we have user center, we have carts, favorite, orders, warehouse, rehearsal, parcel, and a lot of them. But where we are going is under accounts, because we want to add our local address and shipping address, and then maybe you want to add your payment method as well. So you want to come to accounts, click on accounts here. So please, I'm going to be leaving the link to sign up under the comment section should in case you haven't gotten an account. So I've clicked on my account now. Clicking on account will takes you to this surface here. So this is privilege. You don't actually need this for now. So this is under your profile. Okay, so we are coming to shipping address. So you want to tap on shipping address. Let me try to zoom out. As I click on tap address here, they said you have not added the shipping address. Please add your shipping address. So it's very simple here. This is where you are going to be adding your local and your country shipping address. So you want to click on add shipping address here. So once you click on add shipping address, this will pops up. So the recipient is your name, then your region is your country, then detail address, which including your street name, your home address, you want to fill it in, then the zip code, that is the zip code to your city, then your available phone number and your label address. This label address simply means that the address you want them to label on your parcel. So you want to choose if it is a company or a home. Then you want to set it as your default address. You can add as much as possible. So this is what I will do here. So I'm just going to fill in my first name, last name, country, address, and I will be back. So you can see we have different countries here nearly all over the world. You can see they categorize them alphabetically. These are the countries under A. So I'm just going to go to NMO, which is under Nigeria. So you can just scroll down and you will find your country here. Okay, so let me look for Nigeria. This is my country here, Nigeria. So I'm just automatically going to tap on Nigeria there. So under Nigeria, I'm going to select the you can select the state or anything you want to select there. So that is the state. So it's very, very important. So you look for your state under your country after selecting your country. So I'm just going to select a random state, although this is not my address for security purpose. I'm just selecting a random address. So you can fill in the other column there as your city. So let's say this is one of the city under my state. So I'm just going to put Ibadan as the city. Okay, you can also select your state. This is just for a tutorial purpose, like I've said again. So now this is your address, your detailed address that includes the place you're living, your street number, the apartments and the suites and the like. So let me just select this random address here, and you can see here that this is an abroad address. This is a address in United States of America. So, and this is the zip code. So you can put your phone number here. This is my WhatsApp phone number. So the case you want to reach out to me, you can reach out to me on WhatsApp, and you can also reach out to me on Instagram at Zion Hub Logistics Limited if you want to consult me for one or two. So this label address, maybe you want them to label like I've instructed you before this time, the address you want to label on your parcel, although it's not a must. If you don't see this star on the address, that means it's not a must. So you want to select, let me say home. Okay, then I want to add it as my default address here. So once you are done filling everything, you can see here that this is just an invalid address. Okay, I'm just using this for a tutorial. The only thing that is valid here is just my name and my phone number. Okay, so I'm just going to click on confirm. So you can also come back to edit. Okay, they said I need a postal code. Let me see the error message. Let me click on confirm again to see the error message that pops up there. Okay, they said the postal code is not correct with my country. That means these people actually know what they are doing. So let me just input a random phone number, zip code in my country. So I think this should be valid. So I'm just going to click on confirm. So you can see here that our address is now added. It's very simple. That is how you can add your address. So you can also edit, you can delete and copy. So like I've said, you can add a multiple shipping address as well. It's as very simple as that. So coming down to your billing address, so you can click on your billing address here to add your billing address. Okay, so you want to click on add a billing address here, then you want to do the same thing for this, but this should carry the details on your credit card, your debit card, and your maybe dollar virtual card. These details should carry that because it's called credit card billing details. So you want to fill in that, and once you are done, you click on add. So it's going to add automatically. So the next thing now is to start placing an order directly, which is what I'm going to be recording in my next tutorial, so you all can know how to place an order, the things you need to look out for, including the weight, the height, and how you can know the total estimation cost even before placing the order. All right, so these are things you need to look out for, and that is the more reason you need to subscribe to our YouTube channel. So whenever we post any helpful content like this, YouTube will be able to notify you that Zion Hub Logistics has posted another helpful content like this. So if you want to sign up, just use the link under the comment section and under the description button of this tutorial. Okay, so if you want to consult me, I'm also available for consultation, mentorship, procurement. If you want us to help you buy an item directly and ship it down to your country, we are available by using this Pandabuy. Okay, so you can also use the local Chinese app like I've said. So I hope you find value in watching today's tutorial. If you want more helpful content like this, subscribe to our channel, like the video, comment. If you have any question, you can leave it under the comment section. So thank you guys for watching this very tutorial to the very end, and I will definitely see you in my next tutorial. Bye and peace out.